I think I've joked at Westwin that, China's control on these supply chains would make OPEC blush. As you had, Louis O'Connor on in February that talked about, germanium, gallium, and some of those strategic metals that maybe it's not at the resource level, but at the midstream level. I mean, so many of them eventually run through China. And the difficulty with competing is you are to some degree competing not versus free industry. I mean, a lot of these are state sponsored projects or assets, so they can afford to dump, they can afford to lose money for a period of time, and in hopes of choking out competition. But I think some of what we've seen with off takers, especially within the U.S., is that there's a real need to diversify away from China. I think to some degree they almost view it as a hedge. Westwin wants to compete, dollar for dollar on a global scale, but I do think you have U.S. industry, U.S. automotive manufacturers that are willing to pay a higher price, maybe on 20% of their capacity, because it's supply chain security. They can hedge a portion of their material and know that's being made within the U.S. and have less concerns around maybe geopolitical issues.